Hey, this for anybody got the 2008, 2009, 10 Chevy Impala, this body style, with the 3500 in it, 3.5. If you got issues, electrical issues, starting faults, charging issues, the motors, random misfires, running funny, or you crank the car up, it run good, and then you drive down the road, hit a bump, and then it starts acting crazy, reduced power mode. This was the issue with mines. If you look, this is the exhaust. This is the exhaust shield. This is the exhaust shield. It goes like that. And up under this exhaust shield on this car, you got the alternator wire running to the starter, to the main power wire running to the battery. And then you got this ground wire down here. And if you can see it, you got this harness that's loose. And you can see where that ground wire got ate up by that shield. And you can look on here, you can see like right there, where it start eating into this wire harness. And you can look on the shield and you can see like some black spots, burnt spots. It was cutting into that wire harness and grounding out. It was throwing codes for like mass airflow sensor, map sensor, cam sensors. It was running rough. You would think that you needed an engine, but the whole time it was just this janky wire harness rubbing this shield on the exhaust manifold on the front and grounding out the wires and cutting the main engine ground.